Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how smartphones are assembled, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The precision of the board layout directly determines a smartphone's performance, influencing everything from processing speed to battery life. Every device is assembled with accuracy to ensure top-tier performance.
Every smartphone is tested before leaving the facility.
And that's how smartphones are assembled, our secret heads from start to finish.